Let's turn from there to my other big focus tonight, because Maharashtra and Mumbai in particular are now at the heart of the corona nightmare. Remember, Mumbai remains the worst hit city, Maharashtra the worst hit state. And amidst all this, the transfer of the entire top brass of the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has suggested that the city and the state is panicking. Take a look.
Over 19,000 COVID-19 positive cases in Maharashtra and counting. India's financial hub, Mumbai has turned into one of the most toxic virus zones in the country, with over 12,000 cases and nearly 500 deaths. With cases rising at an alarming rate almost daily, the Uddhav Thackeray government transferred BMC Chief Praveen Pardeshi to Mantralaya's Urban Development Department, leading to opposition claiming that the government is trying to hide its failures.
Due to Thackeray Sarkar, Mumbai has become Corona capital of India. Now they have made Praveen Pardeshi a scapegoat, Balika Bakra, but the political leadership should take the responsibility.
By transferring BMC chief, Maharashtra government also went back on its own order of not transferring any officials during the pandemic. Not only BMC chief, Thane Municipal Commissioner Aba Sahib Jarhad too was transferred. The Navi Mumbai Civic Body Chief Iqbal Chahal, who now faces an uphill task, spoke to India Today on his COVID fight plan.
देश की आर्थिक राजधानी में बढ़ती ही जा रही है. आपकी प्रायोरिटी एरियाज क्या होंगे सर?
Only two priorities. One is to fight against COVID and to minimize it. And number two, to ensure that all pre-monsoon works are happening in Bombay and we are ready for it.
All this rage comes amid speculation of army being called in Mumbai. But that was squashed by CM Uddhav Thackeray.
आणि मी तुम्हाला पहिल्या माझ्या भेटीतच सांगितलेलं आहे की ही जी लढाई आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये जवान आपण सगळे जण आहात. ते जे जवान आहेत ते सरहद्द सांभाळतात, पण हे जे युद्ध आहे हे आपल्याला लढायचं आहे आणि तसं तुम्ही ते लढतात. संयमाच्या आणि जिद्दीच्या जोरावरती लढतात. लष्कराची आवश्यकता नाहीये. लष्कर मुंबईत येणार नाही.
CM Uddhav has been praised by most for his handling of the situation. But as Maximum City grapples with its worst health crisis with no solution in sight, questions are being raised whether the Maha government is panicking. Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Let's then raise the big question. Has Mumbai and the Maharashtra government panicked in the fight against COVID? Aslam Sheikh is Maharashtra's Guardian Minister for Mumbai. He joins me. Shailesh Gandhi is activist and former Central Information Commissioner, a Mumbai resident, and K. Sujata Rao is former Health Secretary, Government of India. I want to come to you, Aslam Sheikh, because you have to answer this question. The decision to transfer the entire top brass of the BMC right at the critical moment when most observers are saying Mumbai is yet to peak, the COVID crisis is yet to peak, doesn't it set out the wrong signal? Isn't it a loss of complete confidence in the entire system that was until now trying to contain COVID in Maharashtra? In Mumbai, are you making the bureaucrats a scapegoat?
I don't think so. It wasn't just an administration part where we can change any of the officers. And by just changing the Pardeshi doesn't mean that the system got collapsed or something. There is a huge community of warriors, doctors and nurses who are fighting. And you know, Mumbai city itself has a different situation. Not like other cities where a huge number of people are staying in a small area in congested room, and thousands, lakhs, the numbers of migrant workers are also there. And I think so. Mr. Pardeshi had done a fantastic job. He has done a good job.
No, so if he's done a fantastic job, if he's done a good job, why transfer him?
That was a routine transfer. You transfer all the time. All the cities and all the states
Mr.
are
Sheikh,
doing it.
you transferred the person in charge of the COVID task force right in the middle of this fight against COVID. When you say he's doing a fantastic job, either admit that he's not doing a good job and say you're transferring because of that.
You mean to say that only the commissioner who's the one who's taking the charge of the city and doing all the work? It is not like that. Besides, it is like that. We have a huge team. All the 4 MCs were working all together. All the deans were on the field. We just changed it because it was a routine transfer as all the states have been doing. And now we have got the Chaheri himself is also good man who has taken
Aslam
such
Sheikh
type of
Bhai, I'm
task.
sorry to put you on the spot, but are you really telling me that you have transferred a fine officer in the middle, who you yourself are saying has done a fine job, in the middle of the most serious health crisis that Mumbai has suffered, and not just him, the entire BMC top brass? I mean, what is the message? What is the message? It comes at a time when Mumbaikars were panicking, and now this is added to the sense of anxiety.
I just want to tell you, we have 12,000 COVID patients so far in a city which have more than 1 crore 60 lakhs people. And the way the things are coming up, see the number of testing we have done. We have crossed the testing of 1,15,000. If you go to see only the testing of Mumbai is comparison to 2 or 3 states, bigger state than the Maharashtra.
Sir,
Even
I
not
agree.
the
I
Rajasthan
agree,
and
but if it is so, nobody is disputing that. If there is a sense you are testing more, you claim the situation is under control, then why transfer the man at the top?
See, there are a lot of routine transfer going on. In between also the transfers were going on. 1 month before also the transfer was going on. And see, this COVID is not going to end in more than 15 or a month. It is going to go on slowly. The transfer will take its own process. The people who are going to retire, the people who are going to be shifted, that is the need. I don't think so it's going to affect any process of handling the crisis in Mumbai or in Maharashtra.
You know, Sujata Rao, you are a former health secretary. You are hearing Aslam Sheikh, Guardian Minister for Mumbai, saying, look, that these are routine transfers. Are they routine transfers? Last week, Ahmedabad Municipal Commissioner put under quarantine and effectively transferred out. And now the Mumbai Municipal Commissioner. What's the message?
Rajdeep, I really think that we should support the Maharashtra government in not saying things like, are you in a panic or it's being arbitrary. The issue is that Maharashtra and particularly Mumbai is facing a very, very huge and a challenging task. So all our support should be there. This is not the time for political nitpicking. Having said that, I don't know who these officers are. They're far too junior. I've never met them before. But all I would say is that the government is responsible. They know that they are in a big crisis. The peak has yet to come. They're already 12,000. There are large number of dense populated slums. That's a huge, huge challenge. Dharavi already has 600 or 800 cases. The social distancing and all that talk doesn't work over there. How do you do social distancing when there are 8 people staying in a room?
So I agree with that, but I'm asking you, therefore, is it right to transfer a bureaucrat? As a former bureaucrat, I'm asking you, is it right to transfer a bureaucrat who has been put in charge of tackling COVID in the middle of the virus?
Give me a minute, please. So what I'm saying is, well, these are the kind of considerations. There must have been some deep thinking to say that this officer was not doing adequately. And that's why they had to change. And that may be a well thought out decision. Okay. Now, I understand that they've even divided Bombay into 7 zones. Each zone is under an IAS officer. So they are ramping up the entire administrative system. So I really don't see why they should carry on with an officer who they don't think is probably I'm saying, that could have been the only criteria, that he's not matching up to the task that he's asked to do. That doesn't mean that he's an inefficient officer, but there must have been some considerations like that. Nobody is so stupid as to transfer a well-performing good officer if everything was okay. They're not that.
Okay, you're saying therefore, you're saying, okay, I take your point. You're saying don't read too much into a transfer. Shailesh Gandhi, what's your, Sujata Rao saying this is not a sign of the government panicking. What's your view?
I think Mr. Sheikh is displaying confused thinking. First, he must understand when they transferred the Municipal Commissioner of Mumbai at the time of a crisis, they were breaking a law of Maharashtra called Act 21, which says that all IAS officers must have a tenure of 3 years, and only for specific reasons to be spelled out by the Chief Minister can a transfer be effected. And he seems to have no real answer, and he keeps saying it's routine. Right. It's not routine. It's against the law in Maharashtra. I think the minister should read the law properly.
You're saying, okay. But do you believe that Mumbai that Mumbai needs a new sort of leadership to tackle?
I think this is a very bad move. Overall, I believe the Maharashtra government has fared pretty well. But I think this is a confused move they should not have transferred the municipal commissioner out of Mumbai. If they felt he needed help, which is understandable, they should have brought in additional people and helped him out.
Okay.
But to transfer the municipal commissioner is a very wrong move and a very confused thinking, because the new municipal commissioner does not have complete hands-on information about the things on the ground, which the earlier municipal commissioner would have the.
Can I therefore
facility
ask
of
you,
having.
can I therefore in conclusion ask you, Aslam Sheikh, when will I see the politicians being held accountable? It's always, in this case, it seems the bureaucrat is being held accountable because of the rising numbers of cases in Mumbai.
I don't think so. If you go to see, then it comes from the center to the state. This is not a matter of holding accountability to any of the politicians. It is a matter of biggest crisis today the world has been facing. We are fighting against a virus which has no cure so far. Till a vaccine or something, antibiotic is found, till that we have to just fight with whatever things we have in our hand.
Okay.
And right now, holding accountable to any of the officer and then saying that he's been transferred because the things are not going in a proper way, I don't agree with Mr. Gandhi. And I think so whatever transferring has the full, that is a jurisdiction of the CM, and that doesn't have anything to do with that.
Okay.
And simultaneously, I'm still telling you, there is a big team who is working in Mumbai, and Mumbai has a different geographical area, state, and the way the people are working. 6 lakhs people staying in a slum, which has a common toilet, which has to be faced. Like Mumbai, there is no other city in Asia if you go to see. But still, after coming in such a situation, still the Maharashtra government is taking such good care. And being 1,60,000, more than 1,60,00,000 lakhs people, and the number of cases so far is only 13,000. In
Okay,
that
I'll leave-
13,000, 50% of the people are asymptomatic, and only 2,500 people are symptomatic. And in that also, if you go to see, only critical 300 people are there.
So don't
And
worry, be happy. It seems, don't worry, Corona, we are living in Corona times. This too will pass, seems to be the mantra even that the Maharashtra government has adopted. I appreciate my guests joining us. We couldn't spend more time because we overran with the interview with the health minister, but I thank you so much for joining me on the show tonight.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.